Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today I give you an introduction about our heavy duty type model 850 biomass pellet machine. Behind me you can see those three units of pellet machine is our latest generation, the 8th generation pellet machine. This machine we fit with an heavy duty type gearbox and it can fit with 250 and 280 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for this machine is 3 to 4 tons per hour. The self-weight of this machine is almost 13 tons. So it's a kind of a heavy-duty type pellet machine. And when it's working, it's very stable. This machine we fit with all stainless steel, the input hopper, output hopper, the pelletizing room, the dust collector, and all stainless steel can resist rust problem. And the latest generation with a downside pellet push system can reduce the broken percentage of pellet. This pellet machine can accept the high moisture material. Maximum can be 20%. Okay, everyone. With this machine, you can achieve a high capacity production line. If you have any interest in Longze large heavy duty type pellet machine, please send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.